Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business vision with Tesla step by step clearly. To protect your business vision with Tesla, begin by understanding Tesla's core values and mission. Research Tesla's commitment to innovation and sustainability in the automotive industry. Develop a clear vision statement for your own business that aligns with these principles. Identify your unique selling propositions that differentiate your business from Tesla and its competitors. Consider how Tesla uses technology and data to enhance productivity and efficiency. Implement similar technologies in your operations to streamline processes and reduce costs. Invest in renewable energy solutions to align your business practices with Tesla's sustainability goals. Create partnerships with other companies focused on innovation to strengthen your market position. Engage with customer feedback just as Tesla does, using it to refine your offerings and improve. Stay informed about Tesla's new developments and trends in the electric vehicle sector. Encourage a culture of innovation within your team, promoting creative problem solving and adaptability. Utilize data analytics to drive decision-making and forecast future trends in your industry. Document your business strategies clearly, ensuring they reflect your vision and values. Set measurable goals to track your progress towards achieving your vision. Regularly revisit your mission statement and business practices to ensure alignment with your vision. Prepare to pivot your strategies as necessary to respond to market changes and consumer expectations. By following these steps, you can safeguard your business vision while drawing inspiration from Tesla's success and innovation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.